How to fix GTFO keeps crashing or freezing on Windows. 1. Launch GTFO with administrator rights. Like this. 2. Verify the integrity of the game files of GTFO in Steam. 3. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version, using the recommended Avast. Guide. 4. Stop overclocking, if applicable. 5. Adjust your in-game settings. Resolution, your native or current screen resolution. Vertical sync, disabled. Anti-aliasing, disabled. And play GTFO in windowed borderless mode. 6. Disable in-game overlay on Steam. 7. Turn off your antivirus. 8. Uninstall then reinstall GTFO.